So this is our new topic, parallel combination. This is from class 10th. Okay, parallel combination of resistance. Okay, and for series combination, you can watch my previous video. Okay, now see. So it is parallel combination. So here three resistance are connected in parallel. Okay, with the source, that is battery. Okay, here voltage is V. Okay, and current is I. Okay, now this current is flowing through this branch and this branch. Okay, so suppose this is I1, I2 and I3. Okay, here again I1, I2 and I3 and the total current is I. Okay, तो हमने पहले डिस्कस कर लिया था कि सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में करंट डिवाइड नहीं होता. Which one is divided? Voltage is divided. Okay, and for parallel combination, current is divided and voltage will be, or potential difference will be same. So here potential difference will be same. Okay, so which one is divided? Current is divided. और हमको क्या करना है, जो चीज़ डिवाइड हो रही है हमको वहीं से स्टार्ट करना है. ठीक है, तो पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में करंट डिवाइड होता है तो हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, करंट से. सो सी हियर दिस आई इज इक्वल टू I1 प्लस I2 प्लस I3 ओनली. ओके, सो सी I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now according to Ohm's law, what is Ohm's law? V is equal to IR, then I is equal to V by R. Okay, so put I is equal to V by R here, and I1 is equal to V upon R1, I2 is equal to V upon R2 and I3 is equal to V upon R3. See, voltage is same, only the current is different. Okay, so we will take the voltage as common. Okay, here V and V cancel out, so 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, so this is our final formula for the parallel combination. Okay, now see, what is the conclusion of this equation? First conclusion, there's a reciprocal of equivalent resistances, sum of the reciprocal of individual resistance. Reciprocal means 1 upon. Okay, so the reciprocal of equivalent resistance, this is equivalent resistance, and 1 by R is the reciprocal of equivalent resistance, is equal to the sum of, this is sum of reciprocal of individual resistance. 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3 is individual resistance, reciprocal of individual resistance. Okay, now see the second conclusion, the equivalent resistance is less than the resistance of either resistor. ठीक है, ये जो इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस होगा ये किसी भी एक रेजिस्टेंस से क्या होगा, कम होगा. क्यों कम होगा? बिकॉज इट इज रेसिप्रोकल. ना सीरीज में हमने क्या देखा था कि द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस इज ग्रेटर देन द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ आइदर रेजिस्टर, क्योंकि वो क्या था, वो रेसिप्रोकल नहीं था, लेकिन ये रेसिप्रोकल है. ठीक है, सो हियर इट इज द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस इज लेस देन द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ आइदर रेजिस्टर, लेस देन. ठीक है, सीरीज में क्या होगा, ग्रेटर देन, इसको याद रखना. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट द सी द नेक्स्ट कंक्लूजन, the current flow the source is greater than the current through either resistor. Okay, the current flow the source is greater than the current through the either resistor. यानी सोर्स मतलब बैटरी, बैटरी में से जो करंट फ्लो होगा वो मतलब I1, I2, I3 तीनों से क्या होगा, बड़ा होगा, और वो तीनों के सम के इक्वल होगा. मतलब I is greater than I1, I will be greater than I2 and I will be greater than I3. Okay, next the potential difference, PD means potential difference across each resistor is same. ठीक है, हमको पता है कि सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस डिफरेंट होता है और पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस विल बी सेम. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच क्लास.